Plastic is a composite technology plant. Plastic was founded in 2011 and is a manufacturer of equipment for producing mesh, reinforcement, flexible couplings, and bent elements from composite materials. We work using our own equipment. We also have our own production of mesh and reinforcement. Our team likes to participate in international and Russian exhibitions. We keep our customers up to date with our new developments. During this time, more than 70 units of equipment were sold, of which 17 units are for the production of mesh, 2 bent elements, 2 shaft supports, and the rest is reinforcement. Since 2011, investments in our own equipment development have been more than 10 million rubles. The quality of our equipment is trusted by the customers from different countries, such as Malaysia, South Korea, Georgia, Kazakhstan, Bulgaria, Belarus, and Russia from Vladivostok to Kaliningrad. We present the KSP 1000, 2000, 2500, 3000 mesh production line. The number indicates the maximum width of the produced mesh cloth. Minimum cloth width is 300 mm. The mesh length can be any. The mesh was made using our own unique method of twisting. The line allows producing masonry mesh with a diameter from 2 mm to 8 mm with a minimum cell of 50 mm and more, and structural mesh with a diameter from 3 mm to 12 mm with a minimum cell of 100 mm and more. Cells can be from 50 by 50 mm or more. It is easy to form cell sizes 50 by 70, 50 by 120, 100 by 50 mm by simply pressing a button on the control panel. The transverse cell size step is divisible by 50 mm. The longitudinal cell size starts from 50 mm and can be 55, 60, 65, 90, 110 mm. The overall dimensions of KSP 2000 line length is 23 meters, width up to 3.7 meters, installed power is up to 58 kilowatt. Operating power is 15 to 20 kilowatt. The line for the production of composite rebars rebars 2 produces rebars in 2 strands. Rebars 4 produces rebars in 4 strands. The line is automated. The line allows controlling and setting all the operating parameters of the equipment using the operator panel. Spinneret type of pressing the composite is available. The line can be equipped with preheating of the roving and heating of the polymerization baths. The pulling mechanism is of the truck type, which allows working with the largest diameters of 32, 34 mm and more. The bent line is designed for the production of angle units. The uniqueness of this equipment is that the bent production line produces angle spiral elements in the following forms: L-shaped, U-shaped, and trapezoid. Adjustable maximum and minimum sizes of L, U-shaped, and trapezoid elements in the equipment are made by agreement of the parties. An opportunity to form elements with a diameter from 4 to 16 mm. Manufacture of trapezoidal elements and cutting takes place automatically. Manufacture of L and U-shaped elements is performed in a semi-automatic mode. Production rate of bent elements is up to 1000 meters per shift, depending on the diameter of the bar. Flex – flexible couplings. Designed to produce flexible couplings with anchor thickening. They are used to connect the supporting monolithic wall with the facing layer through the insulation. If necessary, it is possible to provide a ventilated gap. Shaft – the so-called shaft lining. This is a composite structural reinforcement of large diameters starting from 16 mm. It is made by pressing the thread into the body of the reinforcement so that the reinforcing ribs are extruded from the body of the reinforcement. Therefore, lining in comparison with conventional reinforcement with rib winding is considered more reliable as a result of tests for breaking out of concrete. All types of equipment require 2 people. The proposed lines are improved every year and are developed according to market demands. We will be glad if you visit our factory to discuss the details of cooperation.